Have you ever found yourself confused at an international airport trying to understand a sign that says authorized personnel only? Or maybe in a London museum, not knowing if you can enter because it says free admission. Today, you're going to learn 20 essential English phrases that appear on signs, notices, and signage around the world. And I guarantee, by the end of this video, you'll never feel lost again when you see these expressions. Before we start, hit that like button if you want to improve your English in a practical way, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go. Let's start with a situation everyone has experienced: trying to buy tickets for that amazing concert and seeing sold out. Sold out means that all tickets or products have been sold and there are none left. It's literally sold out. Nothing's available. Example: the concert is sold out. But wait, not everything is lost. Sometimes you might find events with free admission, and this is one of the best things you can see on a sign. It means free entry. You can get in without paying anything. Example: the museum offers free admission on Sundays. Now, imagine you found this free event, arrived there excited, but at the entrance there's a crowd. Then you see a sign that says, "Please queue on the other side." This is directing you to form a line on the opposite side. Queue is the British word for line. Americans use line. So this sign is telling you to stand in line on the other side. Example: please queue on the other side of the building. Great, you're in the right line now, and you need to move. Then you see keep right. Stay on the right side while walking or moving. It's super common in hallways, escalators, and even in traffic in countries like the US. Example: please keep right when walking in the hallway. Keep off the grass. Don't walk on the grass. This is one of the most classic signs in parks. Keep off means stay away from or don't touch. Example: the park sign says keep off the grass. Silence. Examination in progress. You see this mainly in schools and universities when tests are taking place. It's asking everyone to be quiet because students are taking an exam. Example: silence. Examination in progress in room 5. The expression out of order means that something is out of service, broken, or not working. You'll often see this phrase in signs in elevators, public restrooms, or vending machines, letting people know they're not in use at the moment. For example, the elevator is out of order. The phrase "no vacancies" is very common in hotels and inns. It indicates that there are no rooms available. In other words, the place is full. Vacancy means a space or an available room. And when we see no vacancies, it literally means no rooms available. For example, the hotel has no vacancies tonight. If you're finding these signs helpful, smash that like button right now. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more practical English lessons like this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our free English content. No parking. You are not allowed to leave your vehicle there. One of the most frustrating signs when you're looking for a parking spot, right? Example: this street has a no parking sign. No entry. You are not allowed to go inside. Simple and direct. You cannot enter there. Example: no entry beyond this point. No exit. There is no way out in that direction. It indicates that this direction is not an exit. It could be dangerous or simply doesn't lead anywhere. Example: this door has a no exit sign. Please do not disturb. The classic hotel notice you put on your door when you want peace. It's asking people not to knock or bother you. Example: the guests put a "please do not disturb" sign on the door. Do not lean out of the window. Don't put your head or body outside the window. Safety first. It's common on trains and buses. Example: do not lean out of the train window. Please do not feed the animals. Even though it might seem like kindness, feeding animals can be dangerous for them and for you. It's a very common sign in zoos and wildlife areas. Example: please do not feed the animals in the zoo. Mind your head. Be careful not to hit your head. Mind here means be careful with. Super common in low places like caves or tunnels. Example, mind your head when entering the cave. Mind the step. Be careful with the step so you don't trip. It prevents you from stumbling and getting hurt. Pure courtesy. Example, mind the step at the entrance. Fragile. The item can break easily and should be handled with special care. You'll see this on packages, boxes, and delicate items. Example, this box is marked fragile. Wet floor. The yellow sign that can save you from an epic fall. It indicates the floor is wet and might be slippery. This is crucial for preventing slip and fall accidents. Example, caution, wet floor in the lobby. No smoking, one of the most universal signs in the world. It indicates a smoke-free area. You'll see this in restaurants, buildings, and public spaces. Example, no smoking inside the restaurant. Authorized personnel only. Only people with special permission can enter that area. This is common in restricted areas, backstage, or secure facilities. Example, this area is for authorized personnel only. Danger, high voltage. This is a warning that can literally save your life. It indicates dangerous electricity. Never ignore this sign. High voltage can be fatal. Example, danger, high voltage inside this fence. Slippery when wet. It indicates the surface is safe when dry, but dangerous when wet. This helps you know when to be extra careful. Example, the tiles are slippery when wet. And there you have it. Did you manage to follow all 22 phrases? Now you're prepared to understand signs and notices wherever English is spoken. Which of these signs have you seen before? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical English lessons. See you in the next video.